Hello, welcome to the tour of your 2011 Forest River Georgetown motorhome. We are going to do a tour of the exterior followed by the interior. Going to walk around, show you guys features and such. We will go ahead and get started. Looking at the nose of the camper here, we'll go ahead and approach. Front door is open. Your steps. Right here we have the furnace exhaust. When the furnace is running, it's going to be hot, blowing out of these two vents right here. Just above that is your refrigerator access panel. You'll be able to access the rear of the refrigerator. Down underneath here is the battery compartment. Batteries have been replaced and serviced. 12-volt coach, good to go. We've got another compartment right next door. It does have an outlet in it, as well as a part cable hookup. Alright, there's a drain. Another nice compartment here. Just above that compartment we have our water heater access right here. Camper is already winterized. Go ahead and show you what's back behind here. Put that back on right here. A nice big awning up here. This is a holdback right here for your water compartment, which is going to be right here. That big tank, that's your fresh tank. Again, we are already winterized, which is why you see pink in the line right here. The hot water heater has also been bypassed, which is that knob and this knob here. You will want to turn those two, and that middle one you will want to spin the opposite direction. Right here we have a low point drain, and the low point drain as well. And there's your water pump. It does have a sticker here indicating low point drain, which again is going to be these right here. Just to the left we have another nice big compartment back here, the small shelf system. Back side of the camper does come with a reverse camera. Here is your ladder for the roof access. Roof around cutouts has been sealed. Moving down here, got our city water connection. This will be when you hook up a city water line and are running off of it. Down below is the fresh water connection, and this will fill your fresh water tank. Down below here, converter, power cable, and this would be what you're going to hook in when the generator is running. Got a drain here as well. Moving down, gas cap for the gas tank. We're going to be under a slide out here on these next couple of compartments, so bear with me. In here is going to be our sewage drains. Can't really see them at the moment. I do apologize, I don't have a light with me, but there are two handles in here that you will pull. I do recommend pulling your black tank handle first, followed by your gray tank, to flush out any black tank materials that may get lodged in your sewer outlet pipe, which is just underneath the compartment. Now before you pull those valves, you will want to remove that cap right there, then pull your black tank valve followed by your gray tank valve. When done, you will want to let it fully drain and replace the cap. Merry Christmas. Moving down here, looking at the generator. Flips open right there. Hydraulics for your slide out leveling system. And moving down, propane tank. Backing up here, take a look at our slide out. Bring the entire motor home into full view. And that completes the tour, the exterior tour of 2011 Forest River Georgetown Motorhome.